In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail email fetcher for your private email account. This will help you consolidate your emails in one place, making it easier to manage your inbox. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Gmail. Once you've logged in, head over to the settings by clicking on the gear icon located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. A small drop-down will appear, and from there, you'll select the See All Settings option. This will take you to a new page filled with various tabs of settings. You'll want to navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. This is where the magic happens. Under this tab, you'll find a section that says Check Mail from Other Accounts. Look for the Add a Mail Account link within this section and click on it. A new window will pop up asking you to enter the email address of the account you'd like Gmail to fetch email from. Go ahead and input your private email address here. After you input the email address, the next screen will ask you to decide the import method. Make sure to select Import Emails from My Other Account POP3. Click Next, and then you'll be directed to a page where you'll enter the account settings. Here, you'll need your username and password for the private email account. Enter these credentials carefully. You may also need to input the POP server details. Normally, your email provider will furnish you with this information, so if you're unsure, it's a good idea to check their official website or support section. Ports are crucial for making sure everything works smoothly. You'll see a place to enter the port number, and typically email providers use specific numbers for this. Make sure to enter the correct one for your server settings. Most servers use either 995 or 110, depending on whether they use SSL encryption. Speaking of which, ensure that you select the Always Use a Secure Connection SSL when retrieving mail option if it's recommended by your email provider. This helps keep your information safe and secure. There are a couple of optional settings here. You can choose to label incoming messages, which might help you keep track of where each message is coming from. Additionally, you can select whether you'd like to leave a copy of the retrieved message on the server. This is usually a good idea if you want to have backup access to your emails from multiple accounts. Lastly, after you've filled out all the fields with the correct details, you'll click Add Account. It might take a moment to verify everything, but once it's done, you'll receive a confirmation message. If things are set up correctly, your Gmail inbox should now start fetching emails from your private account automatically. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Gmail email fetcher for your private email account. If you experience any issues, make sure to double-check your server settings and credentials, as these are often the source of any hiccups. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.